Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us for this quick road assessment of the Sam Houston Tollway North, or as locals refer to it as Beltway 8. The assessment takes place on the westbound North Loop portion of the tollway. Also, this assessment will involve visual inspections, surface evaluations, and documentation of key factors such as road integrity, cracking, potholes, drainage performance, signage visibility, shoulder stability, and traffic patterns, just to name a few. Data collected during the process will help identify areas requiring your immediate attention as you travel on the Sam Houston Tollway North Loop. By carefully analyzing structural conditions and safety features, the assessment aims to bring awareness to certain areas or conditions that may help you stay safe as you travel on the tollway. Without further delay, let's get started on this assessment. First, conducting a road assessment on the Sam Houston Tollway over the weekend during very light traffic offers an ideal window for viewers to observe what inspectors see. With fewer vehicles moving on the tollway, it becomes easier for the viewer to observe pavement conditions, signage visibility, guardrail integrity, and drainage performance, almost in the same way an inspector would see it. Also, the reduced noise and minimal congestion allow viewers to focus on subtle surface irregularities, lane markings, and shoulder wear that might otherwise go unnoticed. In other words, to some degree, the viewer will see what inspectors see. At the same time, please keep in mind that the Sam Houston Tollway frequently experiences heavy traffic and road congestion during peak rush hours, typically in the morning between the hours of 6:30 a.m. and 9 a.m., and in the evening from roughly 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. on weekdays, when commuters and commercial vehicles alike are traveling to and from work or connecting highways and employment centers. During these times, long lines of cars and trucks can form on the main lanes and feeder roads, causing slow-moving traffic that often stretches for miles in many areas of the tollway. As with other parts of the Sam Houston Tollway, many drivers may notice the many dark skid marks that show up on this portion of the tollway. With so many skid marks on the road, it strongly suggests signs of urgent stopping, sharp swerves, and split-second decisions made in fast-moving traffic. Some of the skid marks on this portion of the tollway may be the result of wheel locks, such as those from semi-trucks. Drivers may want to exercise caution when driving, especially during business work hours when semi-trucks and construction work vehicles are pervasive on this portion of the Sam Houston Tollway. Did you know the Sam Houston Tollway is a major toll road that forms a loop around the city of Houston, Texas? The Sam Houston Tollway covers approximately 88 miles long. Additionally, the Sam Houston Tollway was completed in 2011. Although various segments of the roadway had opened gradually over several decades beginning in the late 1980s, the final 13-mile stretch in the northeast part of the loop between Interstate 69 and US 90 was finished on February 26, 2011, marking the completion of the entire Sam Houston Tollway system. Additionally, you will see many scrapes on the concrete barriers along the Sam Houston Tollway. The skid marks on the concrete barriers may suggest tires locking, automobile metal brushing against the concrete barriers, or brief moments when a driver has lost control of their vehicle and regained it just in time. Together, the markings on road and concrete barriers serve as stark reminders of the tollway's constant motion and the thin margin of error between routine travel and a potential accident. Did you know that data from many transportation and legal sources show that the Sam Houston Tollway has recorded thousands of crashes over recent years, with nearly 19,500 collisions reported between 2020 and 2024, including over 100 fatalities and hundreds of serious injuries, which averages out to roughly more than 10 crashes daily?
Please keep in mind to check the trip channel before you travel to your next destination. The trip channel will help you plan smarter, safer routes. By checking the trip channel regularly, you can avoid rough or blocked roads, adjust your timing, and prepare for any challenges ahead. A few minutes of planning can save hours of frustration and help keep you and your passengers safe on every trip. Also, the trip channel isn't just for planning. It's also a great way to reconnect with streets you know and love, whether it's the route you took to school, the road to your favorite diner, or that scenic stretch you once drove at sunset. The trip channel lets you see what's changed and what stayed the same. Take a moment to reminisce and explore familiar paths from a fresh perspective. Sometimes the best trips are the ones down memory lane. And by the way, if there is a street that you want us to assess, please mention it in the comments section on this video.
most part, the Sam Houston Tollway North Loop is currently in remarkably good condition, offering one of the smoother drives around the tollway. Large stretches of the tollway appear nearly blemish-free, with very few divots or potholes noticeable to drivers. The concrete sections are especially clean, showing no visible cracking, while the asphalt portions are similarly well maintained, with none of the alligator cracking that often develops on heavily traveled highways. Overall, the Sam Houston Tollway North Loop looks and feels well cared for, making for a consistently smooth and comfortable ride.
If you enjoy this video and find its content helpful, please hit the like button. We would appreciate it very much. Also, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit the notification bell for more upcoming road assessments. If we haven't been in your town yet, we will be very soon. Thank you for watching the Trip Channel.